बर्थडे भाई
Congratulations, brother.
I came here because not to celebrate my birthday because in hostel my ex is there, that's why I came
ಯಾವ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಬಿಡ್ತಾವೆ ಬಿಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ.
full of very intelligent student. His father was a scientist, his mother was sorry housewife. His mother is a housewife. He is very intelligent in every Saptagiri topper, English best English talker. Bandli sir, we have Kannada favorite sir. Kannada sir
ಹಣ ಬಂದ इतने तेजस्वी लोग हैं हमारे पास.
ಪಟಾಕಿ ಮಿಸ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಪಟಾಕಿ ಹಚ್ಚಲೇ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇದು ಹಚ್ಚಲಂಗೆ ಯಾರು ಕೇಕ್
ತಡಿಲೇ
ಹಚ್ಚಲೇ
ಹಚ್ಚದ್ ಬೇಡ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಹಿಡ್ಕಲೇ ಹಿಡ್ಕ ಲೇ ಬರ್ತಡೆ ಇದೇ ಕಾಮಿಡಿ ಬ್ಲಾಗ್ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದ ಇದು ಬಿಡಬಾರ್ದು ಹಿಂಗ My birthday is on 26th December. Today 2024 is going on. I want to tell only one thing, that this dog is very kind.
ಟ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಚಿನ್ನ ಈ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಪ್ರೋತ್ಸಾಹ ಬೆಂಬಲ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಇರ್ಲಿ ಚಿನ್ನ ನಾ ಸಾಯೋವರೆಗೂ ಬರೆಯಲ್ಲ ಚಿನ್ನ.
Very kind. He
Thank you,
didn't
China.
attack for any cake. It is very kind for it. Please say supported very much for us. Say thank you for it, not for me. And thank you for your all support. Please wash my seat with soap and give me. I will go faster to home. And my mother will not scold me.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಭೇಟಿಯಾಗೋಣ. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ.